Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to connect iPhone to LG Smart TV AirPlay. You have two ways for this, okay? Remember, if you have a old TV, okay? If you have a old TV, maybe you cannot have maybe you don't have AirPlay in your TV, just like me, okay? I don't have AirPlay in this TV, but I connect my smartphone with a different way, okay? Different method. Can you see? This is my HDMI cable. Now, how you can see if you have AirPlay in your TV? It's too easy. You just need make this, okay, and find this symbol. Touch here for 3 seconds and then you can see your TV. This TV is my living room TV. I have another LG TV in my house, in my living room. This is LG TV in my room, okay? And this is the old TV in my living room. I have a new TV, okay? This TV has AirPlay. Now, how can I connect with my new TV? Only touch here. Okay, not here, okay, here. Touch here and connect your AirPlay. If you don't have a AirPlay in your TV, you can use this. This is an HDMI cable and connect with this in my mobile. With this can I watch whatever I want in my TV, okay? This is another method. It's too easy, it's so cheaper, and you can use whatever you want. If your TV have AirPlay, use AirPlay. If you don't have AirPlay, you can use this cable, okay? This is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later.